Sabi ng source ko, eto yung quote na para sa'yo. You're not who you used to be. Bakit? Bakit ba? And that's my favorite part of growing. Yan. Favorite natin yan eh. Hindi natin mapili yung kung ano tayo. Gets niyo ba? So, eto yung malakasan na meaning neto. Change isn't something to fear. So, hindi mo naman kailangan na matakot para, alam mo yun, yung pag nagbago kayo, kakatakutan mo na. No, it's not like that. It's proof of your progress kasi you've outgrown old habits, pain, and versions of yourself that no longer serve you. Every lesson, even the hard ones, shape who you are now. Remember that. Kasi ako hindi ko maalala. Charot.